Welcome back to the channel, the ultimate destination for automotive innovation, where we explore everything from the wildest concept vehicles to real-world machines changing the way we move. If you're into unique rides, compact campers, and futuristic design, you're in the right place. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Today, we're checking out something truly out of the box, or should I say, out of the garage. Imagine hitting the road not in a bulky RV, not in a gas-guzzling truck, but on a tricycle camper. Yep, you heard that right, an RV-style camper built on a tricycle platform. Compact, efficient, and surprisingly functional. Whether you're a solo adventurer or a weekend road warrior, this could be the future of minimalistic travel. So, what exactly is a tricycle camper? At its core, it's a three-wheeled vehicle usually pedal-powered or assisted with an electric motor that's been equipped with a camper unit. It blends the freedom of cycling with the convenience of a mobile home. Think of it as a micro-RV that you can park almost anywhere, without worrying about fuel stations, massive parking spots, or costly campground fees. One of the most interesting examples is the Gentle Tent B-Turtle, a bike camper trailer that unfolds into a tent big enough for two people. It weighs under 70 pounds, can be towed by any standard bicycle or e-bike, and sets up in minutes. While it's not technically a trike, it gives us a glimpse into how small-scale camping tech can work in harmony with pedal-powered travel. But let's take it up a notch. Enter the trike-based RV campers, fully self-contained mini-homes on three wheels. These setups can feature a small sleeping area, a basic kitchen, storage compartments, and even solar panels on the roof for charging your electronics. Some DIY versions have folding beds, water tanks, fold-out counters, and even roof ventilation, all packed into something not much larger than a rickshaw. Most of these campers are built using lightweight materials like aluminum and fiberglass to keep the frame sturdy but maneuverable. The front section resembles a cargo tricycle, similar to what you'd see in many urban delivery bikes, while the back is essentially a mini cabin on wheels. Inside, it's just enough space to stretch out, lie down, and stash your travel essentials. Power is usually supplied by an electric motor, making it an e-trike camper. This helps riders tackle longer distances or hilly terrain without getting exhausted. With battery ranges going from 30 to 100 miles, depending on the load and motor size, it's entirely possible to take weekend trips or even long-haul journeys, charging up at campgrounds or with portable solar panels. Now, let's talk about why someone would actually choose a tricycle camper over a traditional RV or van. First, the cost. You're looking at a fraction of the price of a full-sized camper van. Even a good e-trike conversion with a custom camper shell might cost less than $5,000, while van builds often hit $30,000 or more. For budget travelers or people who want a lower barrier to entry into nomadic life, this is a game changer. Second, eco-friendliness. No gas, no emissions. It's as green as it gets. Paired with solar power and smart use of space, you're looking at one of the most sustainable forms of road travel available today. Third, freedom and flexibility. A trike camper is small enough to go places RVs can't. Narrow roads, bike trails, hidden campsites, this opens up a whole new level of adventure. Plus, you don't need a license or insurance in many places, depending on your setup. Of course, there are trade-offs. Space is extremely limited, weather protection can be basic, and you're not going to hit highway speeds. But for slow travelers, nature lovers, or those living a minimalist lifestyle, that might actually be part of the appeal. And the best part? Many of these trike campers are DIY builds, created by makers and tinkerers who want to personalize their setup. Online communities are filled with tutorials and blueprints, making it easier than ever to build your own from scratch. Some have even added tiny wood-burning stoves, insulation, foldable furniture, and clever storage hacks. Looking into the future, it's easy to see how this niche could grow. With cities becoming more bike-friendly, and people embracing micro-living and eco-travel, the tricycle camper could be more than just a quirky project, it could become a legitimate movement. So, whether you're a weekend explorer, an urban nomad, or someone dreaming of a tiny house on wheels, the RV tricycle camper offers something unique. It's not just transportation. It's a lifestyle, compact, conscious, and incredibly cool. Thanks for tuning in to Automotive, where we bring you the most creative and cutting-edge automotive ideas from around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Got a wild vehicle or camper idea we should cover? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep exploring.